This is the actual business website that we'll be building in the course, and you can check it out at classbusiness.buildwithoutcode.com. And so as you can see, we'll be able to put our logo here in the top left, which will also serve as the home page button when we click on it. And then we have some other links here in the navigation bar. Some link internally, so this will link to a page internally within this same website, and other links like this instructor background will link externally, so to a separate website. Then we have a nice big sentence where we can explain what our website's all about, a nice big call to action. We have some share buttons here on the left that will follow us around so that no matter where someone is on the site, they can easily share the content that they're looking at, as well as this Contact Us tab will stay with them so that if they have a question, they can just click on the tab and easily send us a message. As we scroll down, you'll notice that the images seem to kind of swoop in, so we've got some nice animations on this site. And this section you'll be able to completely customize, but we're using it as a place to explain the value of having a website, so you could use it to explain the value of your products or services. Add some nice images and titles and then text. We scroll down, we have a nice ribbon with another call to action, which links to where they can get the course. Here we've explained why WordPress is such a great way to build websites, but again, you can customize this to whatever your needs are, and you could even disable it if you don't feel the need for this area. Here we've put some of the main sites that are powered by WordPress, and these link to their respective sites. You could use this maybe for a place to show off your clients. Here in the About Course and About the Instructor, we've added some short blurbs about each, so if you hover over it, you see this drop-down text. It's a great place to add team members. Here we'll put some testimonials, so we can put the name of the person, the title, picture, and then their actual testimonial. Then we have this final ribbon with a final call to action to get the course. And then down here in the footer, you can put your location or address, email address, phone, and then copyright and your company name. So now let's move on to the actual product description page. So we can just click here. And here we have this page dedicated to the product that we're selling. So we'll add a title and a brief description so that they can get the gist of the product very quickly. But as they scroll down, we'll also add a very long description to help them really understand all the nitty-gritty of our product. And although we don't have it enabled, you can add other things like additional information or reviews, that kind of thing. As you can see, the regular price is $199, but we can add a sale, so we'll add this sale for $99, and then this sale badge will also appear. We have this nice featured image and some additional images, and if they click on it, it pulls up a light box where they can view the images. And then they can add multiple items to their cart or just one, and then when they are ready to purchase a product, they can just click add to cart. Then they'll automatically be taken to the cart page, and you'll notice up here this cart icon appears with the amount of items and the total dollar amount of those items. Here they can adjust anything needed and then proceed to checkout by clicking here. Here on the checkout page, they'll be able to review the totals for their order. And what we do require from them is their email address, because it is a digital product that we will be sending to their email. So that's why we only require the email address. You can set it though to require other information, for instance if you need their shipping address and such. You'll notice that we don't collect any sensitive information, and that's because PayPal will handle all of that. So if they have a PayPal account, they'll be able to pay with PayPal. Even if they don't have an account on PayPal, they can use their credit or debit card, but it will still be through PayPal's payment gateway. That way it's completely secure and we don't have to handle any sensitive data. So let's go ahead and put a fake email address in here just to show you what it's going to look like when they get to the PayPal gateway. So put in that email, and then they'll hit proceed to PayPal. Then here in PayPal, again, if they don't have an account, they'll be able to just fill in their billing information here. And if they do have an account, they can just come here to fill out their PayPal login information. And you may also notice that the email address that we collected auto-populated here in PayPal. So any information that we do decide to collect, when they go to PayPal, it will auto-populate or forward that information so that they don't have to fill that part out again. We will also be optimizing this website for search engines, and it is completely responsive, meaning that no matter what size the screen is, it will adapt to the size of that screen. You can see the layout changes so that it looks good on any screen size, tablet, or even smartphone.